Topic: linear momentum. Momentum is defined as the product of the mass of a body and its velocity, denoted as follows: P equals mv, where m is the mass of the body and v is the velocity of the body. Impulse and momentum has the same dimension. Newton's laws of motion. Law 1. This law states that every object continues in the state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force. Law 2. The rate of change of momentum is proportional to the impressed force and takes place in the direction of the force. Force equals change in momentum over time. Then F equals mv minus mu over t. We'll factorize F equals m bracket v minus u over t. Since v minus u over t is acceleration, force becomes ma, where m is the mass of the body and a is the acceleration of the body. Also, acceleration a can be given as F over m. Law 3. The action and reaction are equal and opposite, or to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Conservation of linear momentum. In any system of colliding objects, the total momentum is always conserved, provided that there is no net external force acting on it. That is in a closed system. The total momentum of an isolated or closed system of colliding bodies remains constant. Law number 3. If two or more bodies collide in a closed system, total momentum after collision is equal to the total momentum before collision, as expressed in the figures below. Question: a body of mass 6 kg moving with a velocity of 20 meters per second collide with another body moving with a velocity of 18 meters per second in opposite direction. If both bodies now moves in the direction of the 6 kg mass with a velocity of 8 meters per second, calculate the mass of the second body. Solution: according to law of conservation of linear momentum, m1 u1 minus m2 u2 equals, open bracket, m1 plus m2 close v, where v is their common velocities. Solution: 6 times 20 minus m2 times 18 equals 6 plus m2 close bracket 8. We'll collect like terms and clear the brackets. We have 120 minus 48 equals 8m2 plus 18m2, which will give us m2 equals 3.6 kilogram. That brings us to the end of the topic, linear momentum.